Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to take you through a complete guide on video editing using CapCut Pro. This tutorial will walk you step by step through everything you need to know from cutting and trimming clips, to adding smooth transitions, stunning effects, text overlays, and even pro-level audio adjustments. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to create clean, professional, and eye-catching videos right from your device. So, grab your clips, open up CapCut Pro, and let's dive straight in.
To create the images I want to use for this video, I'll come to WhatsApp, not WhatsApp business, just WhatsApp. Then I'll click on this symbol. Then inside this message box, you type in your prompt, whatever type of image you want to create. When you type in the prompt, you enable it. Let me type in something. When you're done typing your prompt, you click here to enable it, to enable the command to load. Now these are images I created using Meta AI, using WhatsApp Meta AI. These are images I created, and I don't wish to create any image now, so I've showed you how to do it. These are the prompts I use in creating this image. This is the prompt I use in creating this one. This is the prompt I use in creating this. The prompt I use in creating this. So you type in your prompt, describe the image you want to be created for you. When you're done describing it, when you're done describing what you want your image to look like, you enable the prompt to load and to generate the image for you. If the image generated is not what you have in mind, like this is not what I wanted, I had to give it another prompt again, but I was now more specific in describing what I want, what I have in mind, and that was how I got this image. So if you are not comfortable, if you are not satisfied with the image that was generated for you, you can prompt your idea and until you get exactly what you have in mind. Then the next thing, after generating the image, now this is the photo of the governor of Abia State. I've already animated it. I'll play it so that you see what it looks like after animation. So this is not real. This is not him. It's just his photo that I animated. Now, to create my video, to start creating my video, I'm not lip syncing, so I'm using text, add audio. I'll click on add audio here to add audio to this photo or to this video. It's now a video, it's no longer a photo. Then I'll click on text to audio. This is text to audio. Click on text to audio to enter what I want that image to say. Now for this demo, I don't want to use text to audio. I'll record my audio using my voice. So to do that, you click on record here. So I'm going to click on record. I'm going to pause this video and record my voice. I am done preparing my clips and I want to start putting them together. I've lip synced this clip. Let me play so that we can see. Una welcome. I want knock on tori wey happen for Abia State this 28th day of August 2025. Now this is the part I do not want. To remove this part, I will scroll back. Then I'm going to click on edit, click on split and delete it. Then I'm going to add the next clip. I'll click on this plus sign to add the next clip. This video, I've turned them to videos. So the next clip is this one. I'll click on add to bring it in. So I'm going to play it. Let me move back a bit to make sure that the CapCut icon is no longer showing. 25. Dr. Alex Oti of Abia State don't begin to the trend 5,349 new teachers wey im bring for inside the state. Now I'm also going to move back to remove this CapCut. I'm going to do this for all the clips. I'm done putting the clips together. The next thing I'm going to do is to start adding transition to the clips. So I'm going to move to the next clip, this one. So these are sample transitions. click on the effect.
Alex.
So this is how I'm going to add transition to all the clips. So I'm going to pause and add transition to all the clips. I'm done with adding transition to the video. Now the next thing I want to do is to add captions to the video. So I'm going to click on captions here, then I'm generating from video. I'm generating from video and voiceover, so it's generating from all. And also the spoken language is English. Now these are caption templates. I will go for this one, then I'll click on generate. The captions have been generated. The next thing I want to do is to add aspect ratio. So I'm going to scroll through to where we have aspect ratio. This is aspect ratio. I'll click on it. For YouTube video or Facebook video, the aspect ratio is 16.9. Then for TikTok is 9.6. But this video is for YouTube, so I'm going to select the 16.9 option and enable it to apply. Then the next thing I want to do is to add sound to the video. That's background song. So I'm going to click on audio. I'll click on sound. I want to use this happiness. So it has applied. Now I'm going to reduce the volume of this part, the sound.
Una welcome. I want that
live. We have now. The next time I'm going to improve the volume of this one so that it will be higher than that of my background music.
Una welcome. I want Nakonatori and it will happen for Abia State this 28th day of August 2025.
For this other clip too. I'll do the same for
Alex.
I'm done editing my video. The next thing I do is to click on this export option here to export the video out of this application into my device.
And that's it. You've just learned how to create a complete, professional quality video using CapCut Pro. Now, it's your turn to put these editing skills into action and start making videos that stand out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more easy and practical editing tips. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.